What's up, guys? Welcome back. Withered, Golden Freddy. So this is even a new thing I didn't even know about. The world of these animatronics is crazy. There's so many different versions. So I saw like pictures of him like sitting down, and then he's like possessed or something. Like, does a spirit go into him or something like that? Let's go for it. Nice straightforward one, I think. So I'm going to start with his nose, right? So we do just up here, just like above the middle of my page, just do a straight line across to get you started. It's the top of his nose, and then it comes down the side, both sides, and it comes down to a point in the middle of his snout, so it curves around, kind of spikes down in the middle there. So then his eyes come out from here, so they're just like black holes. Sometimes there's like a white glow in one of them, I think. So you could do that if you wanted. Like so. And they're just black inside. On this one now, there's wires that come out, okay? So say if I went, we'll go around most of it. And about here, there's like a couple of wires that like come out of his face. So you can do that first. Just like little worms that come out of his face. Ooh, they could be worms. No, they're wires. And then this comes across that way. So these are black inside. You could color that now if you wanted, or you could wait till the end. So it's up to you. So the snout comes around like so, either side, and then we just go back across to the front, both sides there, and there's a line down the middle. He's got a couple of teeth either side, like I think only about 3 of them maybe. Just these squares just in behind. The ones down the bottom are kind of a bit more complicated because they look like kind of cubes. But eyebrows. So eyebrow here, curves around. Gets kind of thinner as it goes down to the back. Same on this side. Like so. And then we'll try maybe his hat. So the top of his hat, well, where it sits on the top of his head, I mean, kind of here. It's not centered. It's kind of off to the right a little bit. So it's not like perfectly in the middle, which is kind of weird. And then it comes up this way. Curves around the back of the top part of the hat. And then we go up. Curve across the top. And then there's a section down the bottom. I think like in the other one, does he have a thing coming across there? But not in this one. Like there's another, sometimes. Maybe I'm making that up. So his head then, so it just comes down this way. It's kind of bumpy. Now it comes out closer here on this side. Comes down like so, and then this comes around for like his cheek into his snout, then just like in here. Then we got wires again. These ones come around like so. Kind of twist around each other on this side. And then we have his ears. So big sort of bear ears, round in shape. Just going. And then there's like a stick holding him into his head. And then the inside. So bottom part of his mouth, so it curves around here, right? And then it goes in. That way. And then he has like a big chin, so it's like a big bottom of his jaw, kind of. So then it's all about sort of those square sort of teeth, right? So there's rows of them, and they go up the side, and they kind of like grow out of this side of his mouth. So and they're kind of 3D a bit, but maybe I'll like just simplify them. So one there, we'll do one here. Right, and then we'll go up this side then. So we'll just do like a track of them. They kind of just grow out of his mouth like this. Now I'm kind of making them a bit simpler. You could do them as like cubes if you wanted them to be, but I think this is probably easier for everyone, including me. You know, if you wanted these to be like, look like boxes, you could do that as well. Okay. And then we'll just draw a little bit of his mouth in around. You know, because they're growing out of his, well, not growing, but like coming out of his gum line. There's like a little. And again, that's all just like black in there. So bow tie underneath his chin, and we can just see like a little bit of it, not the whole thing. And a couple of circles. And then his big belly, so it's kind of like goes down this way. Same on this side, more or less. Then it comes across the bottom. And then he has the yellow part of his belly. Now remember, if I go too fast, just pause your video. Make it much easier. And then this goes this way. And then like his hips are kind of here. So he's got a mic in this arm, but we'll do the normal arm first. If you don't want to do the mic arm, you can just do the normal arm straight down that way as well. But we'll do this arm first anyway. So he has a little shoulder pad. And then he has an arm. That's like the top of his arm. Curves out like this. And then there's like ball joints sort of that connect everything underneath. And then the bottom of his arm sort of goes this way. Around and into the body. It's like a little cylinder. And then we have like bits of his body sort of missing like that. And they're all colored black inside as well. And then we go down for his forearm part of his body here, and then there's a big chunk missing cut out of him here as well. Sometimes you can see like metal bars and stuff, like the frame of the animatronic inside, so if you want to draw some of them in, you can as well. You don't have to, you could just go black all in there. So again, if you don't like drawing hands and like fingers and all that kind of stuff, you just do this kind of arm just down there and then you're done. But I'll do the mic. So I'll do his shoulder pad again first here. And so his arm comes out to his elbow and down to his hand. So I guess we gotta maybe draw, the microphone is like here. Maybe we'll do this first. So like the microphone is like floating here, just like a circle. And it has like a little silver band going around it. And then it has like these sort of, you know, like a globe, if you've ever seen a globe, like a map of the world, you know, it has these, all these curved lines coming around. Just basic sort of, you could do more detail, of course, if you wanted, but it's basic microphone stuff. And then his hand holds onto the mic. So we just have fingers here. And the handle of the microphone just here. And then his fingers go up that way. That goes around this. And then maybe like the bottom of the mic will go like off this way somewhere. Okay, and then arm going that way. And then elbow sort of bumps around there. And we gotta make it look kind of like this, right? So we'll do his arm coming in there. And then this one has some chunks taken out as well. And so like if it was going around the back, maybe it's like all bits taken out of it on that side. Would go back up under there, and it's all black in there. I think he's got like an armpit sort of area in there, like a shadow maybe. Okay, so because he's all withered, we gotta like scratch him up. So we gotta like, you know, add these dots and dashes and all this kind of stuff, just to make him look a bit dirty, a bit grubby, not in good shape. Just little, like, it's like as if you were drawing little drops of rain. See, just dots and little dashes, little like comma kind of shapes. And that's the best way to make something look dirty in a drawing. Also, you could do a circle, and, you know, if you wanted him to have a white eye inside there, because sometimes he does, sometimes he doesn't. So I'll leave it up to you if you want to do that. So, Withered Golden Freddy. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you next one. Bye.